The International Marketing Programme is a compelling programme designed to equip future marketers in the global landscape.
For me, it was really about learning the why behind the how, getting into the theories, the research behind just the execution. That just broadened my mindset about marketing.
We have the sustainability and ethics built in throughout the program. We've got some really exciting modules from digital marketing. We've got content with AI production, consumer insights.
My favorite one is the brand prism, where you talk about the brand personality, the brand physique, image, reflection, and all of that.
We've had lots of trips where we'll set a task with the students where they can look for interesting startups and speak to people in business.
London is like a marketing hub. You come into London and there's a lot of brands.
We just went for a local market here nearby and just explore every brand, like what colors they are, how they are selling their products, how they are dealing with customers.
Walking around talking to these businesses, having this conversation is sort of fun, and some of the people are amazing.
We learn a lot. We formulated strategies, policies for the organization.
For me, that's just been unlocking my mind to see the possibilities.
I got a lot of insights on branding and actually managing different products.
What's been amazing about the International Marketing Programme is that it's giving students the opportunity to spend time with company owners and senior leadership teams within companies to get a real life insight into what the business does, how they add value to their clients.
You get to have something for your portfolio. You get to have something you can put on your LinkedIn. You get to have something you can say to employers that, oh, this is what I can do, this is what I have done. Going there in the history books of most memorable experience I've had.
I think that's what makes it worthwhile, is seeing what happens with the students and what we do and where that takes them. It's limitless.